Good morning, guys. Here we've got Oppo A95, and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. First of all, open your phone dealer, and now we can enter the codes. The first one is *#06#. So this pretty short code shows both IMEI numbers assigned to this phone. Tap on OK to exit, and then another code that you can use is *##, 426 #**. And here we've got FCM diagnostic mode, in which you can check events and status. If you wish to explore it a bit more, select more icon and mark advanced view to get more knowledge. Let me go back. Another code that you can use here is *#*, 225 ***. And now we've got all calendar info. So if you have any calendar connected with your device, all upcoming events would be listed here. Let me go back. And the last code that I would like to share with you today, it is not always working, however, it should work here. It is *##, 4636 ***. Okay, so actually it is not working here, but it will show you more info about your device, like Wi-Fi details, network setup, and so on. Well, that's it. So you can use secret codes on this device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.